One detail is the timing of the leader's cross. The follower is doing forward side, and we are doing forward cross sacada, invasion of head. So while the follower does 2 movements, we do 3. 1, 2, here. First movement for the follower, first movement for me. Now, while she does the next movement, I already cross. And when she finishes, I invade. So that's what you have to keep in mind. Sometimes, and we will see this in the moment that we work a turn, you don't need to cross. Let's see from this point of view. 2, 3, because my foot is there, but that's in a cross, in a turn. For a backward 8, we need to do that one. And for the turn also we can do it. Also we can do it. So if we are going to do a turn, both options. If we are going to do backward 8, only the cross work.